kids against drug addiction. Nowadays, it is a multi-faceted issue. With far-reaching consequences, the changing lifestyle of people can be blamed for the addiction drug. Addiction leads to mental and physical health problems. Let's address the problem and save the future of the youth. Thank you. something. Yes, dear. What's the matter? First of all, sorry for everything. I realized my mistake and thank you so much. You are the one who opened my eyes. Bye. I feel so proud of myself for I have done something meaningful. Arya, just my heart. Come with me. I'm showing my world. Another word is the word. Yeah, my word. A word where everyone is